This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Okay, so I am going to show you how you want to make the image more of a portrait mode when you shift it to mobile, and it should be pretty easy. So bear with me, and I will try my best to do this for you guys. So okay, so as you can see, this is kind of how like the image you have on your previous site. Now what you have to do, I'm just going to show you. This is with the banner. This is how appropriately how it's supposed to look like. So I'm going to do it the banner way. As you can see, it definitely has shifted to the way you want it to look. Now, when you go to banner, this is what you do. Or if you want to add a banner, one moment. Go here, banner. And okay, so let's just say you're in basic. You'll see SEO, social media, advanced, and here is media. So this is where you put the banner. And I will just take this away. And I'm going to add a banner right now. Let's add this one instead. Here's our new image. You see the edge right there. And it works again. Now, important thing to know is that your template must have an index page. Now, how do I know if my template has an index page? Well, go to primary navigation, add a page, and you'll see this thing says an index here. If it has an index page right here, it's going to work. If not, you're going to have to switch a new template. And that's pretty much it. And I hope it will work for you. Thank you, and good night.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.